Congratulations, Canadian Tire, on your 100th anniversary. I am Melanie D'Souza, Director of Outdoor Cooking with Winners Products. Today we're going to be showcasing the Vida Essence by Paderno barbecue and temperature technology. Today we're preparing coffee-encrusted lamb ribs. I've started the 4-burner barbecue on max temperature. We're going to let that preheat while I get the lamb ready for cooking. The first step is to actually score your meat. So we're going to do that by just putting cross hatches across the lamb. And this will help the heat penetrate as well as all your seasoning and rubs. Our next step is that we're going to get our lamb onto our hot grill for searing so that our mustard will adhere to it. Okay, our grill is nice and hot now. We're going to be placing our lamb onto the grill, getting a nice crust to prepare it for our seasoning. Okay, now that we can see that there's a nice crusty layer forming on the bottom of the lamb. So I'm going to lift it and put it like this. We now have a great sear on our lamb ribs. I've preheated our grill now to 350 degrees Fahrenheit because that will be our cooking temperature once we've completed our application of our rubs. We're going to start right now by actually just patting away any excess moisture that's on the lamb ribs. And then we're going to just get it ready for our mustard sauce, which is the Wigwam fine mustard that you see here. Okay, we're going to mix some of our seasonings together. We have some salt, we have some brown sugar, we have our birch bark coffee as well, and we have a mixture here of coriander, paprika, mustard, black pepper, and chili powder. We're just making sure that our rub is nicely mixed together. Now that we have our rub nicely mixed together, we're just going to coat our lamb ribs. Make sure that's well patted in there. Okay. Now that we have our lamb ribs nicely coated with our rub, we're going to place them bone side down onto our baking sheet and right into our Vida grill at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so we've preheated our grill now to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We've had our rub sitting on our lamb rib for about 30 minutes just to let it soak in. We're going to place our lamb ribs on our grill with rub side up, and we're going to close the lid and let that cook. What we're looking for is a medium temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit internal. Look at this beautiful crust. We're now going to let our lamb ribs rest for half the time it took to cook in order to allow the juices to redistribute. Okay, so we've now let our lamb ribs rest and we are ready to cut. Here we go. Oh my God, this huge piece. Mmm. Delicious. Going for the last piece. Mm-hmm.